Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to episode 4. I've done afking for a while. I've already walked in a little bit and killed all the mobs sitting in here. Like, I'm talking like AFK, like, this is probably full maximum mobs. It's not much, but I mean, it doesn't automatically kill them, so you probably should do something that does, I think. But what I was mainly AFking for was this. That would be profit, and not a single iron golem is in the water or anywhere else. Once I get that iron, I'm gonna get loaded. So, yeah, this is basically what we're doing. Whoa. You're throwing so that together. Bada bing, bada boom. Slightly up there, so oh, nice. Alright, I've been gathering wood for a bit. And just clear out the leaves, using an iron hoe. The thing that while I'm doing this, iron golems are just dying over there. Producing these iron hoes. I'm still gaining iron even from mining these hoes. So yeah, just mining wood. I don't really know why. Probably something with it. I don't really know. I was just doing something, I guess. Using my bones. At least I don't have bones. Yeah. I guess I'm just me, clearing leaves, chopping logs. Nothing that's interesting. Going to bed occasionally because it takes me too long to chop down these trees with an efficiency 1 diamond axe. I do have another efficiency 1, so once this one gets slow, eventually, then I'll combine the iron armor slightly faster. Oh yeah, look at my iron. Right there. That's iron. Off in the distance. Making all my money. I'll have all the hoes I'll ever need. If I want. Oh yeah. Sugarcane. You know what? That's gonna be next episode. On my sugarcane farm, I'm gonna have to get some obsidian. I mean, it ain't hard, very mind. I've obsidian before, so I know what obsidian is. Yo, look at this. Perfect! 2 more mobs. Should join the 2 of them. Shame. Look at that. 51 gunpowder. I don't even have wheels. This is definitely... I think I'll keep it like this. I'm getting gunpowder really good. I keep this type as well. I think I'm gonna get rid of these bushes though. I'm not really using them. I'll keep them for if I use or make a farm. Use a farm. Make an actual berry farm. But now it goes in there. Sugarcane goes in there. Lots of wood. I'll just hold on to it. Probably, maybe just this will be like an island thing. I'm not expanding around that. But I want to keep my farms near each other. So like this is going to be right here. So that and this is far enough away. So that won't affect it. And then I'll just live. Oh! I guess that's what I could use the wood for. Oh. Guess I've got next episode. Well, I was already done me, but I'm gonna place it there. There we go. Let's see, how high is that one to for the chest? So going to be here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I've got plenty of wood at the time. Like, look, 3 trees are down! That was one point, that was 4 for the rocks. And this was one more. While I'm working on this, more iron's coming. So I think I'll also make an item sorter. Oh, that was and yeah. Make a bunch of stuff, I guess. Oh! Oops, missed one. And I don't even have to worry about chest hoppers. I can use anything else. It's freaking iron farm connecting up. It's an iron farm. Alright, I have AFK'd a little bit unexpectedly. So what was this? Like, this is like two hours. And this is what we got. 2 steps of poppies. Poppies aren't really much, but this is all from this. Yeah. It's not super fast. But I mean, it's not like I'm gonna get a ton of iron. I think my AFK is more just like the mob farm. I mean, if I were to leave the mob farm and none of them despawned, then I don't think I'd even have to worry about another mob again. What is 3? There's like only 3 of them actually have armor on. Now all the goods. I don't need to do that. No. Oh. And bones and now tree farm is completely loaded up as much as I can since, you know, 2 hours of just sitting there and these trees would definitely to grow. And the tree grew on chicken trees. Looks like some trees didn't have space. Right now I'm in the nether, gathering some quartz. I did mine all the trees, I were wondering, and cutting down all those trees. And I did go mining for some cobblestone, and right now I'm headed back. So, alright, let's get this going. Woo. Safety, a little bit of safety. Alright, now we're gonna get this sugarcane farm going. Automatic sugarcane farm. No, that's why I have a stack of quartz. First, we must sleep. Alright, one area has been finished. I just gotta cover up these parts. And then we can get another part and start hooking it up with the iron farm and getting it sorted. Alright, so right now I'm working on the item sorter actually. that's basically it. So, yeah. See you in a bit. Okay, I have just one area set in the item sorter, and I'm gonna go AFK right now, so AFK time. Still AFK, but I did add 2 more modules, so then the poppies and the sugarcane are sorted now. Still AFK. Still AFK. Okay, I've been AFK for a bit. The villagers and the cats. And as usual, let's go check up on our stuff. And I guess this will be thanks for watching. Ooh. What are we gonna make? What's on for? Big one. Wonder. Are there more than one? There's more than one. Yep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Let's see you again soon. 3. 6 stacks. Iron. So long.